Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to make a tic-tac-toe game. So I have this really cute silicone mold. Here is the game plate with the 9 slots, and then here are some X's and O's for the game pieces. Unfortunately, this set only comes with 2 sets of X's and O's, so we're going to have to pour it multiple times to get the full set. Other supplies include some paper flowers from the Paper Studio, and also some iridescent matter flakes from Glitter Hippo. For the colors, we're going to be using pink and purple from T-Rex and Breweries, and also some epoxy from Hippie Crafter. This was sent to me to review, so thank you so much to Hippie Crafter. Alright, let's get started. Let's go ahead and mix up a fresh batch of resin. Taking each piece of flour, I'm going to carefully dip it into the resin and place them on each square of the game board face down. On top, I'm going to place the leaves. Then I'm going to add the iridescent flakes to the rest of the resin and pour over the backs of the flowers and leaves. This is going to be our first layer. Then on the side, we'll pour our X's and O's in purple and pink. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and our resin is cured. However, this is just the first layer, so we're going to add a second layer today. But it is looking really cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at flowers. I love it. So what we're going to do is pour another set of X's and O's. We're going to do it a few times so that we have enough X's and O's to play with. Let's go ahead and demold. Here is an O. Here's the X, another O, and another X. So as you can see here, I need to work on the little edges here a little bit because I'm getting bubbles. On the game board side, we're going to pour our second layer. After mixing the pigment into the resin until it's nice and opaque, we're going to pour it onto the game board. And we're going to make one more set of X's and O's. Alright everyone, so our second layer is done. Let's go ahead and demold the game plate. And here it is. Oh my goodness. Turned out so pretty. Look at that. Let's go ahead and demold our game pieces. 2 more sets of the X's and O's. Here's the O. Here's an X. Another O. And an X. Alright everyone, so it works like this. You put our little game pieces in the little slots to play the game. That. And we have 2 more. So we do need to pour it one more time for the last set of game pieces. This resin was really easy to use, and as you can tell, it's actually really hard too. So these pieces came out pretty hard and not really bendy, and it's also very clear. Alright everyone, this was a lot of fun and I love the way it turned out. What do you think of my tic-tac-toe game? If you like it, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!